And we are joined by meteorologist Sam Gabrielli to talk about the sunshine today and possible rain with the remnants of Hurricane Francine in the next day or two.
Yeah, later this week we're going to be seeing Francine move through. Brooke, we're going to be staying dry over the next 36 hours before things really change, as we're going to be watching some brief showers move through late tomorrow night and kind of turning into a steady to at times heavy rainfall event for Friday morning for that rush hour commute. So far out the door, looking good for the noon hour. It's been a quiet day. Yesterday was quiet. Monday was quiet. Much of the weekend, too, with abundant sunshine. But we've been noticing warming temperatures each and every day since the weekend. We actually do have that east wind staying light outside, continuing to bring in some very dry air. So, again, humidity is held in check today, and the wind basically staying non-existent out of the east. So, again, 91 looking to be that grand total this afternoon. We have warmed up quite a bit as we've hit the midday hours, reaching 83 degrees so far. About last hour, we've actually been warming up about 7 degrees in Louisville, but things will be changing. Today's going to be the last 90 that we have on the 7-day forecast before plenty of 80s arrive and even 70s into the weekend. And the reason why we'll have 70-degree temperatures on Friday is the remnants of Francine. We'll be bringing a swath of rain. And speaking of a swath of rain, that's what we currently have right now down to the south. New Orleans dealing with a band of very heavy rainfall right now. There's already a flash flood warning posted towards New Orleans right now. Strong wind. This is Hurricane Francine. Now, the good news is much of the deep south is in a drought, so they're going to need that rainfall. But unfortunately, Francine will be catastrophic for a lot of the Louisiana coastline. In fact, making landfall this evening. Please keep them in your thoughts. There's going to be some catastrophic to life-threatening storm surge, strong wind, and very heavy rain. Us locally, though, we're not going to be noticing the impacts from Francine until we get into tomorrow night and during the day on Friday. Pockets of heavy rainfall are likely going to be affecting that Friday morning commute. 1 to 3 inches of rain is likely in the forecast, with the highest tallies of the rain being along and south of I-64. We're still keying in on Thursday night, Friday morning for the heaviest bands of rainfall from Francine. And we're still going to be picking up a couple of chances into the day Saturday for some hit or miss pockets of rainfall from Francine. So today, taking a nice deep breath, stepping outside, sunshine, in full control for the area, a high of 91. Notice tomorrow, clouds will be sharply increasing through the day. By about 4:30 in the afternoon, we're going to be climbing into the mid-80s in Louisville. There will be an east and southeast breeze. And we'll be noticing the first bands of rain moving in from our south along the Tennessee state line, closer to about midnight and beyond into early Friday morning. So the Friday rush hour commute will be on the wet side of things. Make sure you do take it easy heading into work and school on Friday morning, as some rainfall tallies into the morning on Friday could be mounting to about a half an inch to an inch of the rain. The rainfall still persisting throughout the daytime hours Friday, and we may see a couple of pockets of sun possible down to the south, but guess what? We'll have more rain on the way as we get you into the daytime hours on Saturday. When it's all said and done, though, that's what we're looking at with the rainfall accumulation. 1 to about 1.5 inches along into the west of Louisville. Some pockets where the pink shaded areas are. That's where there could be about 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches of rain. It'll be much needed rain because we are still in that drought, and the drought monitor is updated tomorrow. So we're going to be keeping you posted, but that's how we're looking for now with the weather impact alert day posted for Friday.